In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable a UPI-supported payment provider in your Wix dashboard. To get started, open Google Chrome and sign in to your Wix account so you can access your site dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the settings area. This is where Wix keeps the main controls for your website, including business tools, payment preferences, and other important configuration options. Take a moment to make sure you're working on the correct site if you manage more than one, because payment settings are applied at the site level. Next, open the settings menu from your Wix dashboard. When the list of options appears, choose Accept Payments. This section is where you connect and manage the payment methods your customers can use during checkout. If you're setting up online payments for the first time, this page is especially important because it determines how your store or service business will collect money securely. Once you're on the Accept Payments page, scroll down through the available payment gateway options. Wix may show several providers depending on your business location and the country or region connected to your account. As you browse the list, you'll want to select a localized payment integration that supports UPI. Common examples include providers like Razorpay or Cashfree, depending on availability in your region. Choosing a local payment provider that supports UPI is useful if your customers prefer fast, mobile-friendly payment methods. It can also improve the checkout experience by offering payment options that are familiar and widely used in your market. When reviewing the provider list, pay close attention to compatibility and regional availability, since some gateways only appear for certain countries or business setups. After you find the provider you want, select it to continue with the setup from within Wix. At this stage, Wix will typically guide you through the connection process for that payment service. Be sure to read the on-screen details carefully so you understand any requirements such as business verification, settlement preferences, or supported payment types. And that's it for